Now in the ascomycetes, I will be explaining few structures which are formed in the sexual reproduction, that is ascus and ascocarp. In the ascomycetes, as I have already discussed, versatile type of sexual reproduction can be there. And during the sexual reproduction, there is formation of one sac-like structure. This sac-like structure which is formed, that is ascus. अब ये जो ascus की formation है, ये दो तरीके से हो सकती है. It can be formed through two ways. One is direct method of ascus formation and another one is indirect method. And here I will be dealing only with the direct method. In the direct method of ascus formation, male and female gametes, they fuse. Male and female gamete, they fuse. After fusion, there is formation of this dikaryotic cell. Fusion के बाद ये dikaryotic cell बनेगा. इसके अंदर दो haploid nuclei हैं. This dikaryotic cell which is formed, this is known as AMC. AMC, that is ascus mother cell. Now inside this cell, now these two haploid nuclei, they will fuse. Nucleus का जो दो nucleus है, इनका fusion होगा. So after fusion of two nuclei, now there is formation of diploid condition. This formation of diploid nucleus, this diploid nucleus, it will undergo meiosis. It will undergo meiosis. So you know that after meiosis, there is formation of four haploid nuclei. तो meiosis के बाद चार haploid product बनेंगे. Four haploid nuclei, they are formed. In several members of ascomycetes, ये जो चार haploid nuclei बने हैं, after meiosis, immediately they will undergo mitosis. After meiosis, immediately they will undergo mitosis. हर एक haploid nucleus का mitosis होगा, तो there is formation of two nuclei. This formation of two daughter nuclei. So it means in total after mitosis there is formation of 8 nuclei. Mitosis के बाद total अब 8 nuclei form होंगे. These 8 nuclei which are formed here, इनके आसपास cytoplasm gather होगा. इनके आसपास cytoplasm gather होगा and these nuclei, they are converted into ascospore. They are converted into ascospore. ये जो ascospores हैं, they are formed inside this sac-like structure. ये जो sac-like structure जिसके अंदर ascospore बन रहे हैं, this known as ascus. Now these ascospores, they are sexual spore. They are formed after meiosis, so they are haploid and also known as meiospore. Haploid, known as meiospore. The ascospores, they are formed inside the ascus. They are formed inside the ascus. That's why you can say origin of ascospore is endogenous. They have endogenous origin. Now, in several members of ascomycetes, basically in higher members, ये जो ascus है, ये aggregate करते हैं, forming a fruiting body that is known as ascocarp. So these asci, they aggregate forming fruiting body. This fruiting body which is formed, this is known as ascocarp. In the ascomycetes, 4 types of ascocarp can be formed. 4 तरह का ascocarp इस ascomycetes के अंदर form हो सकता है. Now the first category, first type, that is Cleistothecium. Cleistothecium is closed. This is closed ascocarp without any opening. Closed ascocarp without any opening like this. तो ऐसे spherical, subspherical structure है ascocarp का. ascocarp की मैंने ये wall बनाई है. ये जो wall ascocarp की है, this is peridium. और इस wall के अंदर present होंगे ascus. इसके अंदर ascus present होंगे, and you know inside ascus there is presence of ascospore. So I am not forming all the ascospores here. Now the second category, that is perithecium. Now the perithecium is flask shape. It is flask shape having terminal opening like this. ऐसे flask shape है, terminal opening है. ये जो terminal opening है, this is ostiole. और जो अंदर की side है, on the inner side, there is presence of asci, and inside the asci, there is presence of ascospores. Now this Cleistothecium is formed in Aspergillus and Penicillium. Aspergillus and Penicillium. And this perithecium is formed in Claviceps and Neurospora. Neurospora is very important experimental material for biochemical and genetics work. इसको बहुत ज्यादा यूटिलाइज किया गया है फॉर बायोकेमिकल एंड जेनेटिक्स वर्क. सिमिलरली एनिमल्स के अंदर जिसको सबसे ज्यादा यूटिलाइज किया गया है फॉर जेनेटिक्स वर्क, दैट इज फ्रूट फ्लाई ड्रोसोफिला, दैट इज नोन एज ड्रोसोफिला. तो एनिमल्स के अंदर यूज किया गया है ड्रोसोफिला को. फंजाई के अंदर यूज किया गया है न्यूरोस्पोरा को. दैट्स व्हाई न्यूरोस्पोरा इज ऑल्सो नोन एज ड्रोसोफिला ऑफ प्लांट किंगडम, widely utilized for biochemical and genetics work. Now the next type, Apothecium. Apothecium के अंदर जो fruiting body है, that is cup shape. Fruiting body is saucer shape. और fruiting body के ऊपर ये मैंने बनाए हैं asci, and surely in the asci there is presence of ascospore. Now the last category, that is Pseudothecium, also known as Ascostroma. ये जो Pseudothecium है, one in the Pseudothecium wall formation is absent. Wall formation absent है. It is going to give cushion like appearance. तो यहां पर देखो क्या अरेंजमेंट होगा एसआई का. ये मैंने बनाया है माइसीलियम, ये मैंने बनाया है फंगल माइसीलियम. और इसके अंदर आप देख रहे हैं ये कैविटीज, ये आप लॉक्यूल्स देख रहे हैं. इन लॉक्यूल्स के अंदर एसआई एग्रीगेट होंगे. इन द लॉक्यूल्स several ascus, they are aggregated. Now Apothecium is formed in Ascobolus and Pizziza. and this pseudothecium, it is formed in pleospora. Right. So after dealing with different types of ascocarp, fruiting bodies formed in ascomycetes, now I will be dealing with the life cycle of mushroom, field mushroom, that is Agaricus campestris. So now life cycle of mushroom, field mushroom, that is Agaricus campestris. This is one of edible mushroom. Now in this field mushroom, now the vegetative part, assimilative part is below ground and reproductive part is above ground. As I have discussed recently that in the mushroom, the type of reproduction which is present, that is plasmogamy. And after plasmogamy, there is formation of dikaryotic mycelium, that is secondary mycelium. Let's say this is soil surface. Yes, below the soil surface there is presence of primary mycelium. तो ये हम बना रहे हैं primary mycelium. Primary mycelium of opposite strains, that is positive and negative type. The primary mycelium, they are showing pseudogamy. So you can see fusion of cell which results in the formation of dikaryotic mycelium like this. Secondary mycelium. तो प्लाज्मोगैमी के बाद बन गया है secondary mycelium. Now let's see what will happen. Now let's say this is secondary mycelium, branched, filamentous, present below the soil, underground. Now some of the part of secondary mycelium will aggregate. सेकेंडरी माइसीलियम का कुछ पार्ट एग्रीगेट करेगा और फॉर्म करेगा अबव ग्राउंड स्ट्रक्चर, रिप्रोडक्टिव स्ट्रक्चर विच गिव्स अपीयरेंस ऑफ बटन लाइक दिस. सम ऑफ द पार्ट ऑफ सेकेंडरी माइसीलियम aggregate and above ground will be forming button shape structure, button like structure. So this is our reproductive structure, and this reproductive structure will show growth forming fruiting body of Basidiomycetes, that is Basidiocarp. तो अब ये जो बटन शेप स्ट्रक्चर है ये ग्रो करेगा और फॉर्म करेगा फ्रूटिंग बॉडी ऑफ Basidiomycetes, that is Basidiocarp, like this. So you can see this is Basidiocarp giving umbrella shape appearance. ये जो बेसिडियोकार्प है इसके अंदर दो पार्ट्स वेल डिस्टिंग्विश्ड है. ये जो मैंने स्टॉक यहां पर बनाई है, दिस स्टॉक इज स्टाइप. सो यू कैन सी बेस ऑफ स्टाइप इज स्लाइटली स्वॉलन. ये जो ऊपर हमने कैप बनाई है, दिस कैप इज pileus. In the button stage, yes, this one, button stage, जो pileus है, this pileus is attached with stipe with the help of a covering, like this. Are you getting this? When in the button stage, this pileus is attached with the stipe with the help of a covering. This protective covering, it is known as veil. This is known as veil. पर जैसे pileus की growth होगी, जैसे pileus का size बड़ा होगा, इस वेल के ऊपर प्रेशर एक्सर्ट होगा एंड द वेल विल ब्रेक. ये जो वेल है, इट विल ब्रेक, ये टूट जाएगी और वेल के रिमेन्स, ओनली रिमेन्स ऑफ वेल कैन बी सीन ऑन दी स्टाइप. स्टाइप के ऊपर सिर्फ वेल के रिमेन्स नजर आएंगे. द रिमेन्स ऑफ वेल ऑन दी स्टाइप known as annulus. So you know what do you mean by annulus? Annulus is ring. तो यहां पर जो वेल के remains है, they are in the form of rings, so that's why known as annulus. ये जो कैप है, कैप के लोअर वाली साइड, yes, on the lower side of cap there is presence of these structures. ये जो स्ट्रक्चर लोअर साइड पर मैंने बनाए हैं, these structures they are gills. The gills, they are also known as lamellae. So here I will be making structure of one of gill to explain its different part. गिल का जो सेंटर वाला पार्ट है, द central region of gill, it consists of secondary mycelium which is loosely packed. तो ये जो central region है, which is loosely packed, this central region represents trauma. Yes, this region, and numbering it as 1, loosely packed cells है, this is trauma. इसके आसपास जो पार्ट है, yes, यहां पर जो secondary mycelium present है, this secondary mycelium, it is compactly arranged. I'm not making whole of it. तो ये जो मैंने second part बनाया है, this one, this second part, यहां पर secondary mycelium compactly arranged है. This layer, it is known as subhymenium. Then the last layer, outermost one. Outermost layer, this outermost layer is hymenium. इस hymenium के अंदर बनेंगे club shaped structures known as basidium. यहां पर बनेंगे club shaped structures. पूरी इस लेयर के अंदर आपको बहुत सारे club shaped structures नजर आएंगे. Yes, so these club shaped structures formed here, they represent basidia. So let's see what is the condition there in the basidia. Let's say this is basidia. surely present over the gills. I am just making it here to explain its structure in detail. Basidia के अंदर present होंगे 2 न्यूक्लियाई. सेकेंडरी माइसीलियम से ये बेसिडिया बना, तो श्योरली बेसिडिया के अंदर 2 न्यूक्लियाई प्रेजेंट होंगे. Now it's the time that these 2 nuclei, they will fuse. These 2 nuclei, they will fuse, forming diploid nucleus. Forming diploid nucleus. Now this diploid nucleus will undergo meiosis. Diploid nucleus undergo meiosis, forming 4 haploid nuclei. तो meiosis के बाद 4 haploid nuclei बन गए. बेसिडिया की टिप पर बनेंगी आउटग्रोथ्स. तो ये मैं बना रही हूं आउटग्रोथ. बेसिडिया के टिप पर ये जो आउटग्रोथ यहां पर बनी है, दीज आउटग्रोथ रिप्रेजेंट्स स्टारिंग मैटर. हर एक आउटग्रोथ के अंदर एक न्यूक्लियाई ट्रांसफर हो जाएगा. हर एक आउटग्रोथ के अंदर एक न्यूक्लियाई ट्रांसफर हो जाएगा. एंड आफ्टर ट्रांसफर एट द टिप ऑफ आउटग्रोथ there is formation of spores. टिप पर बन रहे हैं spores. The spores which are formed, they are basidiospores. Yes, ये टिप पर जो स्पोर बने हैं, these are basidiospores. So now here I will be comparing basidiospores with the ascospores formed in ascomycetes. दोनों के दोनों spores sexual है. Both are formed after meiosis, so they are meiospores. But you can see here कि ascospore बना था sac के अंदर, endogenous origin, पर ये बन रहे हैं basidium के बाहर. So what type of the origin it is? Exogenous. So one difference here, endogenous origin, and here exogenous origin. Right. Ascospores का number generally it is 8, but can also be 4. 4 ascospores, they are formed in some of the yeast. Basidiospore, generally they are 4 in number, as you can see here, but in some of the cases, number can also be 2. अब ये जो basidiospore है, यहाँ से release होंगे. After release, they will germinate. And germination के बाद, these basidiospore, they will form primary mycelium of fungi. Are you getting this? So these basidiospore, they are released from here. These released basidiospore, they will form after germination primary mycelium of fungi. Right. So you can see in this life cycle, this is life cycle of Agaricus, one of the member of Basidiomycetes. तो लाइफ साइकिल के अंदर देखिए ये माइसीलियम कैसा है? सेकेंडरी. ये जितना भी माइसीलियम है, ये सारा माइसीलियम है सेकेंडरी. द मेजर पार्ट ऑफ द लाइफ साइकिल कॉन्स्टिट्यूट सेकेंडरी माइसीलियम. सो सेकेंडरी माइसीलियम इज लॉन्ग लिव्ड. So you can see where karyogamy has occurred. Here, karyogamy, fusion of nucleus, and meiosis occurred inside basidium, resulting in the formation of primary mycelium. The major part of the life cycle, secondary mycelium, long-lived, and the primary mycelium is short-lived. Now, in the mushrooms, below the soil, this secondary mycelium can aggregate, forming root-like structure. This root-like structure which is formed, this is known as rhizomorph. root-like structure formed is known as rhizomorph. तो rhizopus के अंदर भी हमने एक root-like structure पढ़ा. That root-like structure is known as rhizoid. And in the mushroom, the root-like structure which is formed inside the soil, that is known as rhizomorph. Now the another thing, ये जो mushrooms हैं, ये जो basidiocarp है, generally these basidiocarp, they are formed in ring like this. जनरली ये जो बेसिडियोकार्प है ये ऐसे रिंग के अंदर बनते हैं. दिस रिंग ऑफ बेसिडियोकार्प इज नोन एज फेरी रिंग. दिस इज नोन एज फेरी रिंग और ऑल्सो नोन एज फंगल फ्लावर्स. Yes, this ring is so beautiful. That's why this ring is also known as fungal flowers. Now last part here, secondary mycelium. ये button like structure बना रहा है, ये basidiocarp बना रहा है, part of secondary mycelium which can form basidiocarp. This part is known as spawn. Yes, please write this. Part of secondary mycelium which will form basidiocarp fruiting body. This part, it is known as spawn. So this is all about the life cycle of mushroom. So in this class we have studied asexual as well as sexual structures in the fungi. So now in the next class I will be starting with the lichens, mycorrhiza. And along with that, I will be dealing with viruses. Thank you so much.